Greetings, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're taking you on a virtual tour to explore the breathtaking sceneries in the Togolese Republic. Togo, a sliver of a country, is nestled in the heart of West Africa, bordered by Ghana to the west, Benin to the east, and Burkina Faso to the north. It's a land of magical contrasts, where coastal lagoons and sandy beaches give way to rolling hills, verdant valleys, and towering mountains. This diverse topography is the canvas for a stunning array of picturesque landscapes that are nothing short of a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Our journey today aims to spotlight the most scenic spots in Togo, from the sun-kissed shores of the Atlantic to the rugged peaks of the Atakura Range, and from the lush savannas to the dense tropical rainforests. We'll guide you through Togo's most awe-inspiring panoramas. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey through Togo's best sceneries. Our first stop is the mesmerizing coastal plains of Togo. Imagine a landscape where the sky meets the sea, a place where the gentle lull of the waves serenades you as the sun sets in a blaze of colors. This is the coastal plains of Togo, a breathtaking spectacle of nature's artistry. The coastal plains stretch out like an artist's canvas, adorned with a panorama of palm-lined beaches. Each palm tree stands tall and proud, a testament to the resilience of nature. The beaches are a haven of tranquility, where the rhythm of the waves sets the pace of life. As you walk along the shoreline, the soft, warm sand beneath your feet is a reminder of the Earth's welcoming embrace. Yet, the coastal plains are more than just a picturesque landscape. They are a vibrant tapestry of life and culture. Nestled within this natural beauty is Lomé, Togo's bustling capital city. Lomé is a fusion of traditional and modern life, where the pulse of the city beats in harmony with the rhythm of the sea. The city's architecture is a visual feast, with buildings that tell tales of Togo's rich history and cultural heritage. Adding to this cultural mosaic are the fishing villages that dot the coast. These are places where tradition comes alive, where the age-old practice of fishing is passed down through generations. Watch as the fishermen set sail at dawn, their boats a speck against the vast expanse of the sea. As they return with their catch, the air fills with a sense of anticipation and the village comes alive in a flurry of activity. The coastal plains of Togo are a symphony of sights, sounds, and experiences. They're a place where the beauty of nature meets the vibrancy of culture, where each day brings a new adventure. A visit to Togo's coastal plains offers a blend of relaxation and cultural immersion. Whether you're a lover of nature, a seeker of culture, or simply in search of tranquility, the coastal plains of Togo beckon you with their charm. Next, we ascend to the magnificent Togo Mountains. As we journey through Togo's diverse landscapes, we find ourselves drawn towards the call of these majestic peaks. Rising to the challenge, the Togo Mountains, also known as the Togo Atakura mountain range, stretch across the country, creating a natural border with Ghana to the west. The mountains of Togo are not just a stunning sight to behold, but they also offer a unique ecosystem, rich in biodiversity. The mountain ranges are home to various species of flora and fauna, some of which are endemic to the region, making it a hotspot for biologists and nature enthusiasts. But that's not all. The Togo Mountains are a hiker's paradise. Winding trails snake through the lush vegetation, leading intrepid explorers on an unforgettable journey. As you hike these serene trails, you're surrounded by nature's symphony. The rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the distant roar of waterfalls. The Togo Mountains are not just about the journey, but also about the destination. As you reach the peak, you're rewarded with awe-inspiring views that will leave you breathless. On a clear day, you can see all the way to the horizon, with a panorama of rolling hills, verdant valleys, and sparkling rivers. The sight of the sun setting over these mountains, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, is a spectacle that will etch itself into your memory. The mountains also hold cultural significance for the people of Togo. Many local communities call these mountains their home, and have done so for generations. Their lives are interwoven with the mountains, from their agriculture to their spiritual practices. In short, the Togo Mountains are more than just a geographical feature. They're a testament to the country's natural beauty, a haven for biodiversity, a playground for adventurers, a sanctuary for nature lovers, and a source of life and culture for the local communities. The Togo Mountains, a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers. From the mountains, we journey to the Savanna Plateau, Togo's heartland. We find ourselves amidst vast expanses of sprawling grasslands, where the earth meets the sky in a seamless blend of blues and greens. This region, largely flat with sporadic undulations, is a canvas painted with the hues of nature. The Savanna Plateau is a testament to the diversity of Togo's landscape. It's a world painted with golden grasses, punctuated by the deep greens of acacia trees. The grasslands are a sea of gold during the dry season, transforming into a vibrant green with the arrival of the rainy season. It's an ever-changing spectacle, a dance between the earth and the seasons. This great expanse is not just a visual treat, but also a hub of life. The plateau is teeming with wildlife, becoming a paradise for the adventurous at heart. Herds of antelope prance through the grasslands, their swift movements a ballet set against the backdrop of the plateau. Elephants lumber through, their grandeur adding a sense of awe to the landscape. Birds of prey circle overhead, their keen eyes scanning the grounds for their next meal, while songbirds fill the air with their melodious tunes. The Savanna Plateau also boasts some of the most captivating sunset views. As the day draws to a close, the sky transforms into a canvas of oranges, pinks, and purples. The setting sun casts long shadows, painting the grasslands in a warm, golden glow. It's a sight that captures the heart, a spectacle that reminds us of the beauty of the natural world. The Savanna Plateau is a place where the rhythm of life is dictated by the rise and fall of the sun and the changing seasons. It's a place where one can witness the circle of life in its purest form. It's a place that reminds us of our connection to the natural world and the beauty that lies in the simplicity of life. The Savanna Plateau, where nature's beauty unfolds in its rawest form. Our final stop is the lush tropical rainforests of Togo. As we venture deeper into the heart of Togo, we're met with an explosion of life and color. The tropical rainforests here are a testament to the power of nature, a green sanctuary teeming with a rich tapestry of biodiversity. Imagine being surrounded by a dense emerald green canopy of trees, their branches reaching out to the sky, as if in a bid to touch the sun. As one walks under this towering green umbrella, the air is filled with the musky scent of damp earth and the sweet fragrance of blooming flowers. The rainforests of Togo are a symphony of senses, with the rustling leaves playing a melodious tune, accompanied by the gentle pitter-patter of raindrops. But it's not just the trees that make these rainforests so special, it's the life that they support. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, these forests are a bustling metropolis of wildlife. It's a place where the timid antelope and the mighty elephant share the same home, where colorful birds dart through the treetops, their vibrant feathers catching the sunlight. The rainforests of Togo are a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts, offering a chance to witness species that cannot be found anywhere else in the world. Beyond the wildlife, Togo's rainforests also play a crucial role in maintaining the planet's ecological balance. They act as the world's lungs, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, keeping our air clean and fresh. They're also a source of life-giving water, with their rivers and streams feeding into larger bodies of water. As we leave these verdant woods, we carry with us memories of a place where life thrives in all its forms, a place that reminds us of our responsibility towards our environment, to preserve these green lungs for future generations, a place that truly encapsulates the spirit of Togo. The tropical rainforests of Togo, a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers. And there you have it, the scenic wonders of Togo, from the sun-kissed coastal plains where the Atlantic Ocean meets the shore, to the majestic Togo Mountains with their breathtaking peaks and valleys. We've journeyed across the expansive Savanna Plateau, a vast landscape that stretches out as far as the eye can see, and delved into the heart of Togo's tropical rainforests, alive and teeming with an array of unique wildlife and plant species. Each of these diverse landscapes contributes to the rich tapestry that makes Togo a must-visit destination for any travel enthusiast. The beauty of Togo is a testament to the natural wonders this planet has to offer, and we're thrilled to have been able to share it with you today. Which area of the world would you like us to cover next? Please let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting travel videos.